In this video, I'm going to install Airflow on a GCP VM using a Ubuntu image. First, we log into GCP, go to Compute Engine, spin up your VM. I create a small VM named Airflow. I use a small instance. I choose Ubuntu 18.04, LTS minimal as my disk image. Next, I'll SSH into the box using the browser client. The first thing I do when I connect is elevate my user rights. Next, I'll update the operating system. Then I'll install Python. Check the version. Once Python is installed, we'll install software properties common to help manage the repos that we install software from. Once that's installed, we'll install python-pip. We'll also want to export an environment variable for UNIDECODE to prevent errors. You can read more about this on a link in the description. After that, I'll install apache-airflow using pip. Initialize the DB. We get an error. To prevent this error, we need to uninstall marshmallow-sqlalchemy and install an earlier version of marshmallow-sqlalchemy. So we uninstall the current version and install an older version. Clear the screen. Initdb again. And it was successful. Clear the screen. Run the Airflow web server on port 8080. We need to open the firewall in the GCP console. We go to create firewall, creating a rule called airflow ingress, port 8080, source IP ranges from the internet, select a target. Back to the instance, grab the external IP and connect to our Airflow server, port 8080 and the external IP address. So from there you can see that we have it running. We have an error as it relates to scheduling, so we can fix that by editing the Airflow config. I open the Airflow config in Nano, scroll really far down into the configuration file and find the max threads setting. And because we're running SQLite, the max thread setting should be set to 1. If you're running a different database, then this wouldn't be the case. But because we're running SQLite here, we'll set this from 2 to 1. Mine's already set to 1 because I've done this already. And then you save that file and then run Airflow scheduler. Airflow scheduler starts the scheduler. And now we can see that the error is gone.